You've been driving your Acura every single day. You know the route to work. You know how the seat feels. You know where the cup holders are. But I guarantee there are features in your car right now that you've never used. Features that would have saved you time, money, and frustration. Features that make your Acura smarter, safer, and more convenient than you ever realized. Here's the thing, Acura doesn't advertise all of this. Some of it is buried in menus 3 levels deep. Some of it isn't even in the owner's manual. And some of it your salesperson had no idea existed. Today, I'm sharing 11 hidden Acura features that most owners never find. These aren't gimmicks. These are genuinely useful features that change how you use your car every single day. And the best part? You already own all of them. They're sitting in your car right now, waiting to be discovered. Let's get started. Hidden feature. Number 1. Remote engine. Start from your key fob. No subscription required. Here's one that shocks most Acura owners. You can remote start your car without a smartphone app and without paying for a subscription. Your key fob already has this feature built in. No app needed, no monthly fee, just your regular key fob. Here's how it works. Press the lock button on your key fob once. Within 5 seconds, press and hold the remote start button, the one with the circular arrow symbol. Hold it for about 2 seconds. Your engine will start and run for approximately 10 minutes. This works on most Acuras from 2016 onwards, including the MDX, RDX, TLX, and ILX. Cold winter morning. Start your car from inside your house. Scorching summer afternoon. Get that AC running while you finish up at work. Bonus tip. Repeat the process while the engine is already running to extend the runtime by another 10 minutes. Your car won't move without the key inside and the brake pedal pressed, so it's completely safe. This one feature saves you from paying $10 to $15 per month for a remote start subscription. You've had it all along. Hidden feature number 2. Walk-away auto lock. Here's a feature that eliminates one of the most annoying daily habits, walking back to your car to check if you locked it. It's called walk-away auto lock. When activated, your Acura locks itself when you walk away with the key fob in your pocket. When you return and grab the door handle, it unlocks automatically. No button pressing, no second guessing. The car just handles it. Here's how to turn it on. Go to Settings on your infotainment screen. Navigate to Vehicle Settings or Keyless Access System Settings. Find Walk-Away Auto Lock and toggle it on. This works on most 2019 and newer Acuras with keyless entry. And here's the smart part. If you accidentally leave your key fob inside the car, the system detects it and won't lock. Built-in protection against locking yourself out. One less thing to worry about every single day. Hidden feature number 3. Customizable gauge cluster display. Most people look at their gauge cluster and see speed and fuel level, but your Acura's gauge cluster is fully customizable, and almost nobody ever changes it from the factory default. Here's what you can display right in front of you. Real-time fuel economy. Turn-by-turn navigation directions without looking at the center screen. Current audio information. Driver assistance status, individual tire pressure readings, trip information including distance to empty. Here's how to customize it. Look for the Info or Settings button on the right side of your steering wheel. Press it to cycle through different display options. Hold the button to access deeper customization on some models. Navigation directions above your steering wheel means fewer glances at the center screen. Real-time MPG data trains you to drive more smoothly, which saves fuel and reduces engine wear. Your dashboard is yours. Make it work for you. If you want to get the most out of your Acura and know exactly how to maintain it for the long haul, I've created a 500,000-mile car maintenance blueprint specifically for Acura owners. It covers every service interval, every fluid spec, and everything you need to keep your car running like new for decades. The link is in the description. Grab your copy now. Hidden feature number 4. Speed limit sign recognition. Ever been cruising along and suddenly wondered what the speed limit is? your Acura already knows. Most newer Acuras have a forward-facing camera that reads speed limit signs in real time and displays the current limit right on your dashboard. But here's the hidden part. You can customize how this feature behaves. Go to Settings, then Driver Assistant Settings, and look for traffic sign recognition. You can turn it on or off, and on some models, you can set it to alert you when you're exceeding the posted limit. This is especially useful in unfamiliar areas, school zones, or construction zones where limits change frequently. Just remember, the camera isn't perfect. Covered or damaged signs might not register. Always pay attention to actual road signs. But when it works, having that current limit displayed at all times is genuinely helpful. Hidden feature. Number 5. Programmable door lock. Behavior. Here's something most Acura owners never touch. You can completely customize how your door locks behave. Here's what you can customize. Auto lock while driving. Doors lock automatically when you shift out of park. Selective unlock on park. Choose whether all doors or just the driver's door unlocks when you shift into park. Relock timer. Car automatically relocks if you don't open a door within 30 seconds. Here's how to access these settings. Go to Settings on your infotainment screen. Navigate to Vehicle Settings, then Door/Window Setup or Keyless Access Settings. Browse and customize each option. For example, unlock only the driver's door. When shifting into park, keeps other doors locked in unfamiliar areas. Or if you have kids, set all doors to unlock simultaneously so everyone can get out easily. Your car, your rules. Hidden feature. Number 6. One-touch turn, signal lane, change. A light tap of the turn signal lever triggers an automatic lane change signal that blinks a set number of times and turns off on its own. But here's the hidden part. You can customize how many times it blinks. Go to Settings, then Vehicle Settings, then Lighting or Turn Signal Settings. Look for Auto Lane Change Signal and choose between 1, 3, 5, or 7 blinks. 3 blinks is plenty for a quick merge on an open highway, but in dense city traffic with cyclists and pedestrians, 5 or 7 blinks gives everyone more time to react. Small detail, real difference in safety. Hidden feature number 7. Automatic high beams. Driving at night and constantly switching your high beams on and off, your Acura can handle that automatically. A forward-facing camera detects oncoming vehicles. When the road is clear, high beams turn on automatically. When another car appears, they switch back to low beams without you touching anything. Here's how to activate it. Make sure your headlights are set to auto mode. Push the turn signal lever away from you like you normally would for high beams. Look for a green A icon with a headlight symbol on your dashboard. Now just drive. The system does the rest. High beams dramatically improve nighttime visibility, but most people rarely use them because manual switching is inconvenient. With auto high beams, you get full visibility without the hassle. Hidden feature number 8. Rear seat reminder. Here's a small feature with potentially huge consequences. Your Acura has a built-in rear seat reminder that gives you a gentle alert every time you turn off the engine. A chime sounds and a message appears. Check rear seat. It could prevent you from leaving a child, a pet, or something valuable in the back seat. Here's how to activate it. Go to Settings, then Safety and Driver Assistance. Find Rear Seat Reminder and switch it on. Now, every time you turn off your car, you'll get that friendly reminder. 1 second to glance back, but that 1 second can make all the difference. Hidden feature number 9. Hidden cargo floor storage. If you drive a 2019 or newer Acura RDX, there's a hidden storage trick in your trunk that most owners never discover. Your cargo floor is dual height and reversible. Upper position. Floor lines up flush with the folded rear seats for a perfectly flat loading surface. Lower position. Drop the floor down and gain over 2 extra inches of vertical space. Perfect for taller items like coolers or sports equipment. Flip side, turn the panel over and find a durable hard plastic surface designed for messy loads, muddy gear, wet equipment, a soggy dog after a rainy walk. Wipes clean easily. Most RDX owners spend years using only one position and never discover the others. Spend 2 minutes exploring your cargo floor. It changes how you use your trunk entirely. Hidden feature number 10. Driver memory settings. Here's one that makes a huge difference if you share your Acura with someone else. Your car can save 2 complete driver profiles and switch between them with one button press. Seat position, mirror angles, steering wheel height, all saved and recalled instantly. Here's how to set it up. Adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel exactly how you want them. Press and hold the set button on your driver's door panel. While holding it, press either button 1 or button 2. You'll hear a beep confirming your profile is saved. Have the other driver save their settings to the opposite button. Now, whenever you get in, press your button and everything adjusts automatically. And on some models, you can link your memory settings to your specific key fob. The car recognizes which key is being used and loads the right profile automatically. You just get in, and your car is already set up perfectly for you. Hidden feature number 11. The secret mute button on your steering wheel. Here's one that's so simple yet so clever that most people never figure it out. Your Acura has a hidden mute button built right into your steering wheel. Here's how it works. Find the mode button on your steering wheel. It's the one that cycles between FM radio, Bluetooth, and other audio sources. Press and hold that button for 3 full seconds. Your audio mutes instantly. No volume knob, no touching the screen. To unmute, just tap the button again or adjust the volume. Why is this useful? Drive-through window. Mute music instantly without fumbling with controls. Phone call comes in. Silence everything in 1 second. Kids fall asleep. Cut the audio without waking them up. GPS is talking. Silence music so you can hear directions clearly. This feature was labeled on older Acura steering wheels. Newer models removed the label for a cleaner look, but the function still works exactly the same way. Now you know the secret. So there you have it. 11 hidden Acura features that most owners never discover. Remote engine start without a subscription. Walk away. Auto lock for stress-free parking. Customizable gauge cluster showing what you actually care about. Speed limit recognition on every road. Programmable door locks that match how you use your car. One-touch turn signals with customizable blink count. Automatic high beams for safer night driving. Rear seat reminder that could prevent a tragedy. Dual height cargo floor that transforms your trunk. Driver memory settings that make your car feel personal. The hidden steering wheel mute button for instant silence. None of these are complicated. None require tools or technical knowledge. They're just features that are already in your car, waiting for you to find them. So go out there right now and try every single one. Customize them to fit how you actually live and drive, because your Acura is smarter than you think. And now, so are you. And if you want to go even deeper, including the complete maintenance schedule that keeps your Acura running strong for 500,000 miles, I've created a comprehensive maintenance blueprint specifically for Acura owners. It covers every service interval, every fluid spec, and every procedure you need. Click the link in the description and get your copy now. Because a well-maintained Acura with all its features working properly is truly one of the best vehicles on the road. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.